Hey everyone! In this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar on Windows. I love not seeing my taskbar at the bottom of my screen while using a Windows PC. I just feel like I have more room when it isn't there. It's silly, but it's true. So, how do we hide the taskbar? It's actually very simple. Move your mouse to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and right-click. From this menu, you should see Taskbar Settings. Click on that, and it will open a new window that gives you lots of options for your taskbar. We want to click on the toggle under Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode. What this will do is hide the taskbar when your mouse isn't over it. And then, to reveal the taskbar, just move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. If you use Windows in tablet mode, you can also turn this feature on for tablet mode as well. And that is how you hide the taskbar on Windows. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.